Oh, even looks like a Dorito. Is this a Dorito? Oh my gosh, you don't know if this is a Dorito or is this a keto chip. You have no clue. We're about to find out. Logan, they're too spicy. If you're not gonna follow it, you're just gonna eat keto treats. Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we got the Keto Crate box, month of April. So you guys know I always do this every single month. So Keto Crate is essentially like a mystery box, and they send you delicious keto treats. So if you're like me and you're always looking for the most epic and delicious keto treats, well, look none other than the Keto Crate box. So let's open this crate and see what delicious keto treats are inside. Okay, so one thing that I always mention whenever you open up a Keto Crate box is like they give this little pamphlet. Now this little pamphlet is pretty dope because it will have recipes on there. It's gonna break down everything that they sent you and just like tips and tricks and all kinds of like really cool information. And as you can see, they put a lot of work into this, guys. This is pretty epic. So again, little details like that, it means a lot to me, and it tells me that they're putting a lot of effort into this box. So that is pretty cool. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. All right, so we got a Think Jerky grass-fed beef stick, 0 grams of sugar, 8 grams of protein, and 80 calories. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. So obviously, let's open it up and let's see how this beef stick tastes. Let's go, going in. First bite, here we go. Smells good too. Oh yeah. 100% grass fed, let's go. Let's go, what is the flavor? Original flavor. Yeah, this is pretty damn good. Oh yeah, that's a win, baby. Thumbs up for that one right there. Okay. Let's go, on to the next one. Okay, we got another beef stick right here. You can never have too many beef sticks, right? So this right here is a garlic and herb, 7 grams of protein, 80 calories as well, gluten-free, non-GMO, no added alternates. Okay, handcrafted, real ingredients. I like that. It's all about being real, bro. We keep it real on this channel. Let's go. All right, here we go. Pop it open this beef stick going in. Oh yeah, I'm liking that flavor. Garlic and herb. Oh yeah, this is good. This is very, very tasty. Yep, another thumbs up. That was delicious. Okay. Moving on. Ooh, we got a Legendary Foods blueberry Pop Tart right here. Now, obviously it's not a Pop Tart, it's a pastry, but it looks like a Pop Tart, and for all you who have grown up on Pop Tarts when you were a small child, this is probably for you. Because now that you're a little bit older, like myself, you can't be eating Pop Tarts. It just doesn't fit your diet, I'm sorry. So, next best thing you can do is get you one of these Legendary ones. So this is a blueberry. I never tasted a blueberry one. I can open this up. Come on, Logan. What do I lift all those weights for? Okay. Apparently you gotta be very strong to eat one of these Legendary pastries. So, and obviously that's not me. All right, so here we go. Got it open. Let me show you how it looks. Now, obviously, this is probably gonna taste a lot better if I were to throw it in the toaster, but I don't have a toaster with me, and so I just don't have time. I'm not gonna go downstairs, toast it up, come back up here, and show you how it tastes. I'd rather just eat it like this. And besides, I think most people eat cold Pop-Tarts, right? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. When you ate Pop-Tarts, did you always toast them, or did you eat them cold? Please, let me know in the comments. So, first bite going in. Okay, very interesting taste. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. I can taste the blueberry, but I'm kind of tasting a lot of other stuff too. Not bad. I'd say it's an A for effort. A for effort. Okay. All right, here we go. Next up, we got some Keto Cookies, Snickerdoodles by Perfect Keto. 3 grams of net carbs, clean ingredients, full of goodness. All right, Perfect Keto. One of the OGs when it comes to the keto. Excuse me. When it comes to the keto space. All right, so open this bad boy up. Let's go. I've actually never seen these, so I don't even know how they look. All right, look at that. Look at that little cookie right there. I did it all for the cookie. I think it was the nookie, but you get what I'm trying to say. All right, going in first bite, Snickerdoodle. Yeah. Taste on point. Okay. I don't know about you, but let me know. I'm more of a soft, chewy cookie guy. I'm not like, I don't like the hard cookies that are like, you know, really tough and they break and, you know, they crumble everywhere. I'm not a fan of those. Maybe you are, but I'm not. I'm more of a soft chew cookie kind of guy. Let me know what you like. If you're a soft chew guy, you're gonna like these. So, pretty good. Perfect Keto. Shout out to them. Moving on. All right, what is this? What is this? Parmesan Crisp. Flavor is bacon. Okay, well, sold. You had me at bacon. Let's open these bad boys up. Let's go over the macros. 7 grams of fat, 1 gram of carbs, and 9 grams of protons. You know I absolutely love protein. You can never have enough protein. All right, let's open this bad boy up. I definitely don't want to make crumbs in my office right now. And looks like this is gonna make a mess. Can't make a mess. All right, here we go. All right, come on. Oh my goodness, all right. Look at that. Look at that little delightful surprise in there. Was not expecting that. Open this up, look at that. This is gonna be crunchy for sure. I like that. Oh man, wow. Gluten-free, wheat-free, soy-free, made with 100% aged Parmesan cheese. These are badass. These taste phenomenal. I love the crunch. I love the texture. These would be so good with some dipping sauce. Some guac, maybe some sour cream, cream cheese. Yeah, these are badass. Highly recommend these. Proudly pure. Really good. All right, moving on. All right, what else we got? All right, we got Keto Farms. This is real food snack. This is cacao dusted almonds. Okay, I see you with the dusted almonds. Open these bad boys up. Okay. See that? Going in. Oh yeah, nice sweet little keto treat for sure. 2 grams of net carbs. That's good. That is good. All right. What else do we got? We got some crispy cuts, pork rinds, sweet chipotle flavor. Okay, I see you. Open these bad boys up. Oh yeah, let's get some of that. What do you call that? What does that sound when you eat and people just like the way it sounds? Is it SMR? SMR? I'm not sure, but you know what I'm about to do. So let's go in. Going in for it. All you weirdos! All you weirdos, did you like that? Was that satisfying? I hope it was. All right. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Damn, these are nice and spicy. Oh yeah, you know me. I love me some spicy food. That's it right there. That is it. All right, what else do we got? We got some chili maple gango. I don't even know. I really don't even know. Here, look at that. Right there. This is what we got. I'm just gonna open it up, try it out. Let's see. All right, do I go? Looks like we've got a little tear here. Let's tear this bad boy. Oh yeah. They look like pumpkin seeds, but they're not pumpkin seeds. All right, here we go. Going in. 5 grams of fiber, 14 grams of protein, 18 grams of fat. Not bad. Okay, they're dry roasted pumpkin seeds. They are, I'm sorry. I had no idea. Dry roasted pumpkin seeds. Pretty damn good. Got a little sweetness to them, a little kick at the end. Money. Absolutely money. Now, right here we have something that I already opened up and started eating, and that is a Keto Crisp. You see that? Keto Crisp, yes. As you can see, I already started eating this. Dude, so good, so delicious. Yeah, it almost feels like there is a Rice Krispie inside this, with every single bite. This is money right here. This flavor is almond butter, 4 grams of net carbs, 10 grams of protein, only 2 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of fiber. And it has MCT on it. That is freaking delicious. It's like a Rice Krispie treat, but keto friendly. All right. Next up, we have Keto Snack Chips. Barbecue, okay. You had me at barbecue, baby. Let's go. Let's go. If my coach is watching this, he's gonna be very upset because none of this is on my meal plan. I'm sorry, Ross, but it had to be done. I'm doing it for the people. It's for the people, okay? So, going in. Oh, even looks like a Dorito! Is this a Dorito? Oh my gosh, you don't know if this is a Dorito or is this a keto chip. You have no clue. We're about to find out. Bro. Wow. These chips have MCT in it. There's 0 sugar, 8 grams of protein, gluten-free. Oh my gosh, this may be my new favorite chip. Damn. Yes. Yes. This is good. This is so good. This deserves another SMR, whatever that's called. Here, going in. Going in. Woo! That was good. Damn, that was good. Let's go. All right, we got 2 more items left. Now, okay, next up we have Keto & Co. Shortbread Keto Cookie Mix. This is pretty dope. Obviously, I'm not gonna make this because I don't plan on cooking anything right now, but this is something that I can probably give to my wife and my girls, and they can try to cook it for me because I don't bake. So yeah, let's go over the macros. 1.3 grams of net carbs per serving, not bad. Gluten-free, diabetic friendly. Let's go. No sugar added. All right, dope. All right, so yes. And now on to the last and final product, and that is Fat Snacks Cookies. Now, if you guys have been watching my channel, you know I'm a huge fan of Fat Snacks. I've worked with them in the past, so I already know how they taste, and I'm making so much crumbs on my carpet, guys. Sorry, this is my ADD kicking in. Like, it bothers me that I see crumbs in the carpet. It just really bothers me. Logan, relax. All right, so here we go. This is the chocolate chip. I've had these before. Like I said, I'm a big fan of them. Now, one thing is, they are the kind of like, they're not really hard cookie, but they do crumble. So you gotta be very careful. You'll make a mess for sure. You know what? You know what? They're very, very similar than the Chips Ahoy cookies. Like, spot on. Like I promise you, if I had like a bowl of the Chips Ahoy and a bowl of these and you didn't know, you'd probably think they're the same brand. Like I'm telling you, they're that close. But there you go, guys. That is gonna wrap up the month of April Keto Crate box. Now look, the number one comment that I always get when I do these videos is like, Logan, really, is it really worth getting a Keto Crate box? So this is the way I break it down. If you're someone like me who's been doing keto for a very long time and you're always looking for new keto treats. Now, the thing about new keto treats is they're most likely not gonna be at your home store. They're not gonna be at your local Target. They're not gonna be at your local Walmart or Trader Joe's or wherever that may be. A lot of these treats are only online. And so before you commit to buying a bag, because they're not gonna just let you buy one bag, you're gonna have to buy a box of them. And so what if you don't like them? What if you're eating these pork rind chips right here and you're like, oh my gosh, Logan, they're too spicy. You didn't tell me they were gonna be this spicy. Now guess what? You now have a bag of pork rinds just sitting at your house and now you're just wasting money. Instead, if you get this Keto Crate box, you get to try all these delicious keto snacks, and if you like them, then you're gonna be like, damn, these barbecue chips were dope. Like I'm literally about to go hit them up in their DMs. I'm about to slide into their DMs and be like, yo, what's up? My name's Goody, I got a channel, you got a keto chip, like let's work together, give me a discount code, you know what I mean? So I'm about to slide in their DMs and get me some more chips. So that is one benefit for you guys. You get to see if you like it, and if you do, then go buy a big box of it and be satisfied, and you won't be wasting food. So that is the biggest benefit. You get to try the latest and greatest keto treats, and it's fun because it's like a mystery box. You don't know what they're gonna give you every month, so it's pretty cool. So I say it's definitely worth it. I do have a discount code if you guys are interested. It's gonna save yourself some money. You're gonna support me, and you gotta support your boy. Come on, support your boy Goody. You know, I'm currently building a house right now, so I need all the savings I can get. So help your boy out, and you'll also be treating yourself with awesome, amazing snacks as well. So there you go, guys. That is the Keto Crate box. Check out the link in the description below. If you did like this video, please hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, because I'm about to get yelled at by my coach when he sees this video. He's like, bro, why am I making you a meal plan if you're not gonna follow it? You're just gonna eat keto treats. Hey, all right, I do it for the people. So hit that subscribe button. As always, guys, I absolutely love you. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.